Last time me and Cynthia tried to bake a cake, we almost burned the whole house down. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. I'm in my kitchen today because guess what? We're making brownies and cookies. Yum! Obviously I'm not gonna do this alone. I'm gonna do it with Cynthia and Emily. And whoa! That wasn't the plan.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
Let's wash the brownie pan. Bake. 3. I'll do 340.
I'm like Katy Perry. Oh shoot, sorry.
Which one should we make first? The cookies? Should we make the cookies or the brownies?
Cookies.
Bruh! Okay.
Wifey material, hit me up.
What? We're using the Betty Crocker oatmeal chocolate chip cookie mix.
Yum.
Yum.
No. All of it?
Yeah. Wow.
We're gonna make brownies.
We're gonna make the brownies now too. We're gonna use the Ghirardelli Chocolate Supreme Premium Brownie Mix.
Open it.
Okay, I'm sorry. Put it in.
Last time me and Cynthia tried to bake a cake, we almost burned the whole house down. So
That looks like oatmeal and bananas.
it's actually butter.
Don't get any shells in.
Cynthia. What is that?
What are you cracking eggs?
Okay, I don't normally crack an egg like that.
You guys know that one episode of Peppa Pig where the mommy pig is like making brownies and then she lets them like lick the bowl and the spoon.
And then that's 15.
We're gonna sit and mix now because it's getting tiring. I think mine is pretty mixed. The brownies are pretty mixed. No. Since the brownies need to bake first, so we'll put the brownies in first.
Dude, look at Emily's.
What?
Dude, it's so dry.
Last time I did that, it was not. I mean, like cookie dough is supposed to be like doughy, like right?
Yeah.
This is doughy, right?
I know, but like for some reason, last time I did it, it was like.
It's really dry.
Maybe I did it wrong.
Thumbnail. Baking, not wrong. Line. I got diarrhea.
What?
Do you have one?
Do you want to put like oil in it?
Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Emily, those are my pants.
Oh, it says
Stick to each other.
drop dough 2.5 inches apart on ungrazed cookie sheet.
What is
2.5
inches? Cute. Oh, it's getting under my nails. Okay, this is our cookie. It's our cookie sheet. Let's bake them. Yeah.
That's
How
like
are
the best
you
I
doing, Emily?
That's like the best I can do.
Okay, it's fine.
Remember to like and subscribe if you like this video.
Why are you talking like that?
Why do you talk like you have a BBO?
Guys, look.
Guys, we're checking up on our cookies. They're expanding.
Already.
I feel like that one is gonna, see those two?
Yeah.
They're gonna become a big cookie.
And look at that like chunk in the middle. Like,
Yeah. There's 2 chunks.
where? Oh.
One right there. And there's
Wow.
like crumbs there too.
Wow.
Wait, we should put the brownies in.
Well, careful.
Oh yeah.
It's fine, it's fine.
Oh, it's like hot. back
You guys see it? Okay, let's take them out now. Whoa!
Whoa. We're gonna use this really awesome hearts plate that I've had since I was like 6, maybe. They look a little burnt. Like, look at the bottom. I don't think that's normal. It's okay, it'll add flavor to it.
Yeah.
They smell really good though. I got this. Okay.
You help?
Yum.
We are gonna make the second batch now because we have dough left. Should we make the big cookies?
Oh yeah, let's make it bigger.
Is this big enough? Do you think this is big enough, guys?
Yeah.
Yum. It feels nice. Like, I don't know. It's like, it's dough, but it's like sticky. We're gonna make big cookies now because why not? Let's grate more. Wow. You want to lift it down? Is it lift going up?
Yum!
Whoa.
Yay! Be back in like
10 minutes.
yeah.
We're gonna try the
It's not on my
cookies.
hand.
Is it gooey? It's okay. It's good.
You can really see the chocolate chips.
It's really good.
So like a normal cookie.
Taste test. Rate it out of 10. 10. You rate it out of 10.
10.
Cool. I rate it. Yeah.
She looks like a wiener dog. Okay guys, the cookies are done.
Whoa.
They smell really good.
Yeah.
Brownies are done.
Whoa. I think these deserve their own plate, to be honest.
Yeah.
Wow. I don't know if they'll fit.
Can you help? Okay.
I got it.
Ooh. Okay.
Yum. Hey guys,
Okay,
so
we got dinner.
while we're waiting for DoorDash, we are gonna cut the brownies because they are cool now. The edges are really crunchy. No, you gotta stop the knife.
Wow. That's.
Okay, you're crumbling it.
Wow.
Okay,
Okay, guys, we have not flipped this yet.
Yeah, totally.
Okay,
Now
ready?
we're flipping.
It's our first time flipping.
3, 2, 1. Whoa!
That looks really bad.
These are not store-bought, guys. We made them. 3, 2, 1. Mmm. Oh, it's kind of sweet. Kind of. They're very sweet.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Mine isn't that sweet. Never mind. The sweetness is hitting me now. We are in hotel room right now, and I'm editing this, and I finished everything, but we don't have an outro, so we're gonna do this outro now. I hope you guys enjoyed watching us bake. It was a little random, but you know,
It was kind of chaotic.
it was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!